Hi, it's Kylie Coo. Welcome to my studio. In this video, I will be working in my Scrappy art journal. There's really not an awful lot to say about the page that I create today. It was simply about sitting down, just spending some time, working away, not thinking about anything in particular, just getting involved in the process and really just enjoying that process. I wasn't looking to achieve anything in particular. It was a way of tending to my kind of daily creative practice. It was a way of using up some of these scraps and filling a page in my journal. And I just so enjoyed doing that. Those of you that have been here before will know that I love to add found words to things, and I find that whole process of found words just to be, I don't know, it's like serendipity sometimes, the words that I come across, and the words that I come across today and use today were just perfect for this. So other than popping in at the end for a moment, I'm not really going to say much more. I will stick a caption on the screen basically saying what I'm doing at any particular point in time if I think it's important to say. And I'm just going to put some music on. If the music isn't to your taste, then you can turn it down. If you want to get through the video quicker, then obviously you can use the little gear mechanism to speed this up further. This is at double speed. So see you towards the end. I hope you'll stick around.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears. still feel it even now. Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, bad mood, sorta witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired, singing all night long? Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue dude, blue moon, been one or two since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not blue. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was Then suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
Okay, so we're into just the last couple of minutes of this particular video, and I really did enjoy this process of just sitting down at my work table and just sitting working in this Scrappy Journal, just gluing stuff down, playing with paint, looking for found words, and really nothing more complicated than that. And some days that's just exactly what's needed, and in some ways I'm just pleased to get another page done in this journal, because it's a little while since I worked in it, and I certainly want to be doing more of this. So if you've made it this far through the video, then I really am grateful for you being here. I'm grateful that you've stuck it through to the end, and I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate those of you that return time after time and leave comments. I appreciate it so much, and I enjoy reading your comments so much and responding to them whenever I can. So just a few final marks going on the page here, smudging some of them out just with my finger, just using that Neo colour too. I like using them because they can be used dry or wet. And so here it is. The moment is the victory. And that was the whole thing about just sitting down and doing this page today. It felt like a victory. That moment was the victory. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.